Yeah, but it was a mini remote control car at Pop's house.
So what did you get?
What's this one?
What is it?
This is a remote control car.
A
Wow.
remote control car. That is so awesome.
See, there's remote control back there.
Yep.
Neat.
We'll probably have to put some batteries in it. We'll check it out.
Yeah, that's cool. Do you want to say thanks to Pops and Nini?
Thanks, Pops and Nini.
Very cool.
And I got this right here to get more magazines.
Yay! Because they were stopping. The magazines were not coming anymore. And we like
That's
that
awesome.
magazine.
Wow,
Yay!
you're a lucky guy.
That's so great.
Ta-da!
Let's see the other
What
one.
else is in there?
This one.
It's probably for Mama, because it's anthropology. No, it's not! Jude Teigen from Cosmo and Aggie. That's from their kitty cat. Pops and Nini's kitty cat. Oh, a neat new shirt! And pants! I like them! These are great! These are awesome pants! 4T with the
Woohoo!
buttons inside.
Ta-da!
Great!